I decided to attend the detailing class this weekend because I wanted to gain more knowledge as well as experience as well.
I wanted to get into detailing. I wanted more knowledge about how to do stuff properly and so I can get more knowledge about everything.
More information, hands-on training, cut out any middleman that I might have to ask questions for. Just felt like coming here would have been the best scenario for me.
I decided to take this seminar. I thought it would help me direct my business to a better direction, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Learn a little bit more about business and how to generate customer leads.
Because I wanted to become more professional and get some more information in reference to my business.
I wanted to come and get more knowledge on mobile detailing.
I would like to widen my knowledge about detailing.
Because I wanted to gain some knowledge on detailing and business, how to grow business in detailing.
I just wanted to get more hands-on knowledge. They seem like great mentors.
I figured it was time for me to step up my business, so Detail King was a no-brainer.
Because I want to start my business and be more of a next level of professional.
As somebody who had no experience in the industry, I wanted to jump into it with some knowledge, some idea of how the business is run and how to reach the customers.
For better understanding of things that I already know or thought I knew, because I definitely learned some things today.
I decided to join because I want to, grow more in the detailing business. So I guess this was the right decision. So.
I wanted to learn about the ins and outs of running and opening a detail business.
Owning a business operating for a few years, I thought it would be a good idea to brush up on some skills, get some more information.
To get some hands-on experience.
Because I want to be taught by the best. All the reviews online, well, Detail King was the one you want to do with.
I actually loved it. It was definitely an eye-opener. It showed me, what I wasn't doing and what I should be doing as far as my client base.
Definitely, it's awesome. It will grow my business. It will help me out a lot.
It answered all the questions that I might have stored in my head, and very informative. Got right down to it.
It was good because it's gonna help me target what audience I want to get and how to get it with all the social media links that you guys helped me with, and yeah.
Had a ton of information, definitely gave me some more confidence.
I loved it. There was a lot of information that I didn't know, and most likely I'm gonna be attacking everything I learned tonight.
It was a lot of information, and it's gonna go well.
It's a great process provided by DK, especially entering this business. A lot of information.
I love the detail business aspect from yesterday. I learned a lot, especially about search engine optimization.
I like it a lot. Definitely it's going to grow my business. It definitely opened my eyes to the environment I'm in back home.
It was awesome. I actually learned a lot.
It will help. I learned more than I expected.
I learned a lot, things that I never even knew. Definitely exceeded my expectations as far as the information that was provided.
I definitely would say it was informative. I can go back now to some things that I definitely forgot to do along the way, so I can go back and touch that up now.
It's an eye-opener, and it's helping me out to line out my future goals. So you must have to, if you want to be in this industry.
It was very informative, and I feel like it would definitely help me grow my business and reach the right audience.
Business class, I would definitely recommend people to show up to it. Owning a business or wanting to open one, the information on there was very good. It was very good information that we couldn't find nowhere else.
Yeah, I liked it. I learned a lot.
I come into the class with no knowledge at all, and I've got a ton of information I've got to get through, but it's going to pay off.
It was great. All the trainers were, open and welcome, open to any suggestions, tips and tricks on how you should detail a car. Well worth it, well worth the money. It's definitely an investment in my future.
Excellent. It was great. A couple new stuff to learn, and new stuff to use out there in life.
It was great. I loved it. Wish to get some of my employees up here to do it. I want to come back for more, and I loved it.
It was good. Everybody was very helpful. They were open to all the questions. It was great.
A lot of information. Had tons of fun working with other people and the trainers. I think you guys definitely over-delivered.
Learning stuff that I didn't know, and the people that is teaching us is more than willing to help. The people that is here with me trying to learn are encouraging.
Trainers are real good, give you a lot of information. It's pretty good. I think it's real good. I think it give you a lot of information. I think a lot of people are gonna grow from this.
It was a wonderful experience. It's a combination of theory and action. I think that's amazing.
The hands-on training class today has been definitely mind-blowing. The trainers have been really helpful. They're more than willing to help if you have any questions. It's been wonderful. The weekends program has been wonderful. I've gained so much more knowledge that I didn't have before, and I would recommend it for sure.
I like it a lot. Using tools I haven't used before. It was pretty cool to see. It was pretty fun. This is like the farthest I've been from home, so it's definitely cool to see the scenery on the way out too.
The openness and attention to details from the instructor was really helpful. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 9.5.
It was nice, not bad. I learned a lot too. It was 100%.
The trainers are awesome. They show you different techniques, what works for them, and you kind of just absorb everything and make whatever works for you best. Definitely exceeded my expectations. You definitely get more than what you paid for. If you think about it, it's a well-spent investment on yourself.
Very informative. I learned some new methods and techniques today too that would definitely help me out, saving time. Definitely something that I'm gonna send my guys to.
So far, it's amazing working with this, with the trainers. They have a lot of experience. You're working with things that you never worked before, so it definitely is a must-have if you want to be auto detailing business. So you have to come to this class.
It was actually great, and I feel like it would definitely separate me from the competition. It was very informative.
The hands-on portion was definitely very good. Everybody who was an instructor here answered every question right to the point, right to the T. Overall, it was a great experience. It's well maintained, well put together. Everything just fell into play.
It was tiring, but it was good. It was fun.
Well, that blew me away really, because I mean these trainers are absolutely unreal on what they do. I mean, I've learned a lot in the couple of hours I've done this morning. Yeah, you got to come and do this course if you want to get into this trade. I think it's unreal. Yes.
Absolutely, 100%.
Definitely.
Definitely, yes.
Yeah, was definitely. Definitely. Except for my competition.
Yes, 100%.
Absolutely.
Highly recommended.
Yes, I definitely, if I end up having employees down the road, I'll definitely send them here, and I'd recommend it for sure.
For sure. I've mentioned to my friends back home already, and then future people I'll have working for me, I'd say.
For sure.
Yes, I will.
Definitely, I actually plan on sending a couple of my friends over.
Of course. Everybody who comes to work with me has to eventually come to this program.
200%.
Definitely.
I would definitely recommend everyone to show up and give it a try. It's worth it.
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely. Yes.